Yep. Yep.
We're good. I think the flat tire's actually helping them. Slowing them down a little bit.
Flats help.
Look at his face.
Yeah.
This is gonna be sketchy.
Surprised he hasn't hit already.
Yeah, it is definitely the flat tires helping him out.
Yep. Alright, might as well gun it.
Yeah, right. Yeah, here we go. Fuck, I gotta get that back up in here. Who the hell parked that little piece? Right there?
Jesus, Adrian almost hit the mailbox.
He's a drunk.
He's not even drunk yet. Oh.
Come on, NASCAR. Keep the valve down. Cap. No. We got time to put them back on.
There's no time. Wow. This camera is really good on here.
Yeah. I can't believe it's trying to figure out where this fucking storm's coming from. I think it's coming from the east. I don't make
Coming
sense.
from the sky.
No shit. Thank you, Captain Dickhead.
Sounds good.
Get down!
Hey.
Who gives a fuck?
Don't crash! Oh shit, there's somebody coming.
Hey, put on your blinker!
Can't fucking fun.
Can't beat that.
We're going for a rip. Let's see how we made it.
Oh, there's vehicles coming.
Uh-oh. Oh, he made it pretty far.
Yeah, he made it pretty well.
Or is he pushing it?
I don't know, is he pushing it?
Now. Release the hounds. That's it.
He is pushing it. Hitchhiker!
Is it go?
Maybe I can... Hold on.
Alright.
Hold on.
Nope, that's too... Keep pushing it. We'll make it to the next hill.
No, it's okay. Let's try it. No, don't push me. I'll hang on to it.
I don't think that's gonna work.
On to the trailer. This is gonna be interesting.
Yep, and that lasted really long.
Like 5 minutes.
5 seconds.
I got it! Oh, Jesus!
Right back to
My shorts are falling off! You got this!
We'll go up find him with the dick.
I can't see it to stop the recording. How do people do this for a living?